Assalamu alaikum and hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Adnan Ahmed. Today I am going to review the new header and footer feature which is released by Astra in a beta version. I don't think I need to make a very long video because it is very easy. So let's see on this computer screen what features are available. So if you see on the Astra dashboard, you have this new option here, header builder, footer builder. We can go from here, or also we can see this from the customize option which appear under the appearance menu. So maybe you can go to customize. So here you can see both options, header builder and footer builder. I am clicking on the header builder first. So here you can see three rows. You can see the logo in the middle one. You can change its position. Let's say I am going to drag it and make it center, and as soon as I am doing this, you can see the logo is shifted to the middle. Maybe you can place it here. Menu you can shift also. Maybe you can shift it to the last row, and you can see as soon as I am doing this, the changes are appearing on the top. So the drag and drop feature which is here. Now what you can do more, let's say I'm clicking on this plus sign and I have those widgets here, which is same like other header builders if you used in Elementor or Beaver Builder. So let's say I'm clicking this social icons, and when I clicked on it, you can see these are added. We can change those icons from the left hand side. I click on the social one, and here you can add any other. Let's say I added YouTube here. Okay, likewise I need to add something else here. Maybe I click here and add the search bar here, and on the bottom row I am going to add some button which can be a call to action button also. Okay, so this is what we can see on the screen. Not only you can design this from the for the desktop, you can design for mobile and tablet layout also. If you see on the left hand side, there are buttons here. I am clicking on this tablet, and as soon as I did, off canvas menu will be working here. We can change also. Maybe we can add some button here. To do this, we have this feature available, off canvas. Clicking on this off canvas, and maybe I can add a button here, and likewise I am going to add social icons, and if I want to change its position, I can drag it and drop it, and then you can see the changes here. Okay, so this is very good. You have the easy thing here to make the header as per your requirement. Now looking at the design section here, I'm going back to the desktop maybe, and let's say what we need to change, maybe the top bar. I clicking on the top bar icon, and I can change its height here. You can see maybe anything you want to do here. Okay, from the design tab I can change the background color of the header also. Let's say I am going to change its background. Click on it. You can even place some color here, or maybe a gradient if we would like to place here. So it is a very useful thing now. Okay, for this middle row I'm also going to change its color. Currently it is white, so we can change it to something else if we want to, or we can upload some background image also from the same option. Let's say I'm going to change its color, maybe from white. Okay, anything you want to try, and same like you can do this for the bottom row. So this is that header builder. Now we are quickly going to footer builder, which is also same like header builder, and we can drag and drop things in the footer also. At the moment it is copyright section here, so you can see there is copyright, whatever you want to put here, copyright, and then the shortcodes here. You can place anything else here. Okay, now we can put some footer menu in the footer bar also. Let's say I click on this plus sign and place that footer menu widget here, and as soon as you click it here, the footer menu will appear on the bottom also. And likewise you can place any other widget you want to place in the footer. Let's say I place that social icons also, and this can work also here. Okay guys, so this is a very basic introduction to the new header builder and footer builder in the Astra theme. If you ask there is something new with this feature, I will say no, because header builders and footer builders are already available in the theme builders like Elementor and Beaver. But this is good thing if anybody don't want to use any theme builder and want to build some custom header and footer for the site using the Astra theme. This is a good option, and maybe this will improve in the future. Okay guys, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share the video with others. If you want videos like these in the future, please write me in the comments, and if you want to suggest me for any other topic, then also write me in the comment. If you have any question and queries, please write me in the comments. Until next time, take care, bye.